If you're thinking about grabbing Tommy's emergency income kit, stop until you've seen this review. I'm going to show you the real pros, the real cons, and how to get the best possible bonus if you do decide to grab it. Problem setup. Most people looking for an emergency income solution are in one of two situations. They need cash flow fast. They want something simple that actually works for beginners. The problem: 99% of the products out there are either rehashed junk or require skills you don't have yet. That's why I wanted to check out Tommy's kit for myself. Product overview. So, what is Tommy's emergency income kit? It's a step-by-step training package designed to help complete beginners start earning online quickly without a huge upfront investment. The focus is on simple, repeatable methods you can set up in a few hours. Pro section: beginner-friendly instructions can set up in a single day, low-cost tools or free options. Based on methods Tom E has proven before, potential to scale into a bigger business section requires actual work, not a push-button magic trick. Market could saturate if you don't adapt the strategy. Limited training on long-term scaling. You'll need to add your own strategies later. Who it's for? This is perfect if you need fast, simple ways to generate income, don't have a big budget for tools or ads, are okay with following a proven process. Who it's not for. This is not for you. If you expect to make $1,000 overnight without effort already, have a high-level business strategy in place, bonus offer, scarcity angle. If you grab Tommy's emergency income kit through my link, I'm giving you my quick cash bonus pack. A set of 3 extra income methods you can run alongside Tommy's system for even faster results. Click the first link in the description now to grab the kits. Plus, my bonus before I take it down. Final verdict. For the price and the simplicity, Tommy's emergency income kit delivers on its promise. A quick start method for making money online. It's not a lifelong business model, but it's a great stepping stone to get your first results fast. Grab it below, implement it, and let me know your results.